In this video, I want to show you how to reset or change a code on your Honeywell or Tru-Bolt keypad door lock if you don't have the admin code. So maybe you just moved into a new house with this lock and you don't have the admin code. What you want to do is to reset the lock, and that's going to remove all the existing codes so you can set your own codes. So to do this, the first step is to go over to the interior assembly. Next, you want to take off the battery cover. So to reset this lock, what you want to do is to remove one battery and wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, get the battery back in, and you're going to hear a long and short beep. Then go to the keypad and press the lock button 3 times within 3 seconds. So let's go ahead and do this. Get one battery out. Now we need to wait 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, you want to get the battery back in. Now go to the keypad. So you want to press the lock button 3 times within 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the reset is complete. So the next thing you want to do is to change the default admin code. You can use this code to program your lock, and you can also use it to unlock your door from the outside. Let me show you how it works. Hit this button to lock, and to unlock, enter the default admin code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit unlock. So you want to make sure you change this code. To change it, the first step is to enter the code. Hit unlock, press 4, hit unlock. Now enter your new admin code, 6 digits. Hit unlock, enter the code again. Hit unlock. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your new admin code is now active, and that's what you're going to use to program your lock. And you can also use this code to unlock your door from the outside. Let's test it. And to unlock. And you can also set user codes. A user code is a 4 to 8 digit code that you can also use to unlock your door from the outside. And this lock allows you to set up to 50 user codes. So you can share these codes with anyone you want to give access to your home. So to set a user code, the first step is to enter your admin code. Hit unlock, press 1, hit unlock. Now enter a user number for your user code between 02 to 50. Hit unlock. Now enter your user code 4 to 8 digits. Hit unlock. Enter the code again. Hit unlock. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your new code has been added. So let's test it. You want to hit this button to lock. And to unlock, let's enter the new user code. Hit unlock. So that's it, and you can repeat the steps to add more user codes, up to 50 user codes, okay? So that's how to reset this lock and set new codes. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.